Need an affordable enclosed trailer that's built to last? Check out the 2026 American Hauler 5x8 Arrow Deluxe Cargo Trailer. Perfect for homeowners, small business owners, hobbyists, and weekend adventurers, this trailer offers secure cargo transportation in a compact, easy-to-tow package. Whether you're transporting tools, equipment, motorcycles, lawn equipment, camping gear, or household items, the Arrow Deluxe is ready for the job. Featuring a strong undercoated chassis, one-piece aluminum roof, semi-screwless exterior, and sturdy PlexCore flooring and sidewalls, this trailer is designed for long-term reliability. The rear ramp door with ramp extension makes loading and unloading equipment quick and convenient, while the spacious V-nose design helps maximize interior cargo space. Inside, you'll find wall-mounted tie-down points, LED interior lighting, sidewall ventilation, and a clean enclosed environment that helps protect your cargo from weather and road debris. The 4-inch drop spring axle, radial tires, E-Z Lube hubs, and lightweight design provide dependable towing behind many SUVs, crossovers, and pickup trucks. Ideal for contractors, landscapers, mobile businesses, motorcycle owners, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone needing secure enclosed storage on the go. The 2026 American Hauler 5x8 Arrow Deluxe is available now. Contact us today for pricing, financing options, and availability before it's gone.